Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to cook. And today guys, I'm making pancakes. I love pancakes. And these are a special pancake. They're a banana oat pancake. They're a little bit healthier. They're gluten-free. They're super easy to make and they are delicious. They don't use that many ingredients. You'll just need some bananas, eggs, oats, and some baking powder. So let me show you how to make them. All right, so I'm going to place my bananas in my food processor. And then the oats, the 2 eggs, and the 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now this is optional. You don't have to use the baking powder, but I like it because it makes the pancakes a little bit fluffier. And I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, but again, this is optional. I just like the added flavor of the cinnamon in my pancake. All right, then give it a mix. So I'm going to use my cast iron griddle, and I just love this thing, and I love cooking pancakes on it. Now you could lightly spray it with some nonstick spray if you wanted to. However, I'm going to put just a little bit of butter. A little bit goes a long way, everything in moderation, but this is completely optional. You do not have to use the butter if you don't want to. And then I'm going to add my pancake batter. Now tell me that these don't look like a beautiful stack of pancakes. I'm just saying. Now, I'm not gonna be able to eat all these, of course, but I am going to give them a try. They are nice and fluffy. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.